Hi, I'm Jeff Gonzalez, president of Trident Concepts, and today I'm here with Brownell's Daily Defense to talk to you about home security improvements. So, there's a lot of little things that we can do to help improve the security posture of our homes. The first one that I recommend, if it's not already in place, is to install deadbolt locks on all of your entry points. That's the front door, the back door, your utility room door, any door that leads to the external part of the home should have some sort of deadbolt lock. And there's a couple of other tips that you can do to emphasize or enhance the security posture of even the deadbolt locks. After that, the next thing would be to look at installing window locks. Now, these window locks don't have to be permanent, they can be removable, but just something to help kind of mitigate the possibility of the window locks themselves being left open and then preventing the window from being opened all the way. The next thing we talk about are motion sensing lights. These things are fantastic, and while they can be annoying with picking up on all sorts of critters and whatnot, they are still very valuable, and I really like the ones that are powered by the sun, so the solar powered ones make them even better. Once you get to the outside of your home, the other thing that you want to start to think about is maintaining the landscaping right around the perimeter of your home. So the bushes and the shrubs that typically grow up next to our homes, if it's possible to cut those down or keep them pruned and trimmed so that they don't grow to a point that they offer cover or concealment for a bad guy to get close to our home, that's the next thing. If it's possible for you to remove any nameplates or name tags on your home, that's also valuable. If somebody is sending you correspondence through the U.S. postal system, then obviously the postal system will have your name and address. They won't need that. So we just try to keep that limited to on a need to know basis only. The last thing that you can consider is the do-it-yourself camera systems. Sure, you can go out and pay for a really nice security system, and you can have that peace of mind, but that's not always within everybody's pocketbook, particularly with the monthly fees and all the other things that are associated with that. But something that you can do is you can look at some of these do-it-yourself cameras that are pretty nice, and they do offer you a little bit of peace of mind, particularly when you're not home, or even when you put them on the outside of your home so you can track what's happening outside of the home. So these are just some simple things that you can do. They don't cost that much. They're somewhat easy to do yourself, and what they'll hopefully do is create a greater force protection profile for your home and the occupants that are inside of the home. All right, so I'm Jeff Gonzalez. We'd love to hear your questions or comments, or if you have another improvement that you can do on your own, we'd love to hear about it down below. Until then, take care and stay safe.